So in Tekken 8, one of Jin's main weaknesses being hard to fight against crouching characters has gone, right? Completely vanished, disappeared. That's because he has 431 and 433. Godlike moves. And what's so important about this is that it's a mid that is 14 frame. Start up super fast. It's a kick, so you can do this from range. It has amazing reach, right? And you can do that. Hit confirmable on whiff as well. Super godlike move. And the opponent cannot stay ducking for long. They cannot sidestep duck even so because of this move. Super godlike. Hit confirmable as well. The window to confirm this move is not very generous like back 1-2. So you're gonna have to take a little bit of practice. I already set something up for you guys because why not, right? And if the opponent gets blocks an electric, he can choose to not press a button or press a button. If they press a button, I get to confirm into a hit engager or a 433 into forward or nothing. But if they block it, I just do a 403 into nothing or 433 back, right? I just cannot never hit 431 against someone who is blocking because it's -12. Of course, the damage isn't much, isn't going to be significant, but it's still going to be a punish, right? And so it has a small risk involved with it if you try to risk to brute force it to it, but you can actually hit confirm both versions. It just takes some practice to do, but if you practice pretty often, you are going to be able to hit confirm against people on your daily basis. So it works something like that. I'm going to try to concentrate myself. That's because that's an exercise that I haven't started doing it yet, but I know that it's possible, so I'm going to display it right here. How do you practice this? So I'm going to keep my score out there in a 10 tries, how many I can hit confirm right of the Bronx, right? So I'm going for a 10 counts. Oh shit. I'm wrong here because I should actually do a hit engager, but you guys get the point. So, right? This is the main idea. So let's just do it for real now. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Doing right. That's 5. Okay, that's okay, but I lost here because I did backstep. Backstep used to be a defensive way, right? That's 6. That's 7. That's 8. That's 9. That's 10. And I just did like 3 out of 9, I believe 8 out of 10 were correct, right? And the other 2 were bad, mostly something like that. I can try this again. I just missed the confirmable window, so I lost. Now I'm correct. Correct again. Correct again. Correct again. Correct again. You guys got the point, right? So this is hit confirmable. This is hit confirmable. So the moment you see this hit, if it hits, it's when you press it. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter. Either you do it, either you don't. If your opponent wants to press immediately, they're gonna have to deal with this being delayable, right? So it's the only risk that attaches you to it. Of course, they can jump out of it if you are super delaying it, but if you really do this, they cannot even see that. Even -10, Jesus Christ. So that's another trait to look out for in the corner. Let's see if we can find this tech right here. Oh, it hit. So let me see. Delay this one. Yep, that works. And that's Jin for today's video. See you guys on the next one.